joking.
I'm about to puke.
And you might not want to see that. Oh my god. Please don't go to the trash can. Trash can. Trash
I
can.
don't think I'm going to. I just burp and stuff.
I'm gonna pee. I just peed myself. Dude. I just. Ew, I need to change my. Ew. I don't want to snort. It's like pitch black. You can't see anything. Not to me.
Yeah, that's gonna make me puke.
I swear I just peed myself. I'm not even kidding. Either that or it came pretty dang.
Choking, I like prematurely died. I was clearing this.
Oh great, please don't throw up. Like, I swear, either I peed myself or I came really close to, because I don't even know.
I can't imagine how good that felt. Oh my gosh. I've never enjoyed a burp so much in my life. That was like heaven.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to push my burp up.
Push it up. Push! Push!
Not pushing.
See this little red thing? That red spot on the camera? That is Kaylee's eye. Maybe. Where's your flash? Where's your freak? That was like a 6-minute long burp. Not really, but that was really long. You were in pain.
No, this is relieving pain.
Oh, great.
I didn't know that swallowed that much air.
Oh, I think you can see her now. Oh my gosh. Hold this. Hold this. I'm gonna pee myself. Hold this. Okay. Are you even recording anything? You're just like. I can't follow it. Stop making me laugh, okay? Dude, I'm gonna pee myself if I don't go in the bathroom. It's just oh my god. Really, you're gonna like kill yourself. Okay, I think I'm done. Are you alive? Okay. Oh my gosh. Freaking mother of pearl. What the heck? I'm sure the YouTubers would love 4 minutes of you burping your. She just like burped her like her heart out of her. It's not like a mating call. Oh man, I think I just peed myself again.
I need to finish, okay, so I can stop.
I will record you in this magnificentness. Okay, now I'm gonna like crap myself. What the heck?
Okay. There's like one more.
You can see me laughing now.
Come on.
I'm like hyperventilating. Please don't tell me how it tastes. I'll throw up.
No, my mouth is like making a whole bunch of saliva. It's really nasty.
Go spit it out. That's when you spit it out. Just get all the saliva and spit it out.
But I'm thirsty.
Well, then drink some. Then...
Drinking doesn't work with me.
No, I have water. Please don't do it again. I can hear it in your stomach coming.
Okay, that was the good one right there. That was it.
That was a good one.
That was the good one. Did you hear that nasty wet? It's coming from down in the depths of my stomach.
Dude, I like heard it climb up your chest. It's like.
It was like.
I'm pretty sure that means you're done. Dude, it's like 6 minutes already. Have you burping? Are you done?
Hang on.
Oh, I just snorted again. I lifted my head up. Sneeze. Cough. Ew. Okay, that means you're done.
No. There's like a whole bunch of air like right now.
You are done. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh, you're gonna throw up on me.
No, it's like.
This is so going on YouTube, I don't care. This is.
No, don't.
I haven't mentioned.
Don't put me on YouTube.
This is Kaylee Sophomore. Junior. Kaylee Junior.
You're interrupting the good one.
Here, hold the thing like
finish.
this. And then. Are you done? Are you? Oh, are you sure? You said that 5 minutes ago. Are you done? Oh, nope, she's not. Give me my iPod before you throw up on it. Okay. Sounds like you're like. It's your mating call. Okay, we're done.